Our product ABC stands for AI, Binance, and Community Podcast. In one line, our product allows users to stake their knowledge for your community podcaster. Let's dive into details. We always want to know what others think. That is why we listen to podcasts and see Twitter. How do we know what others think? Through uploaded posts and the posts via centralized recommendations in social platforms such as Twitter, or a podcaster selects information to talk about. Similar but more in an advanced way, we leverage AI for a new way of learning others' people thoughts. AI nowadays can deeply discuss with humans, so we can use AI to talk with others behalf of us, and also talk with AI to listen to others' thoughts. Before we go more deeper, we need to know that modern AI is retrieval based. Since LLMs show human level perception, language models can answer based on retrieved knowledge like humans read books and answer. In this kind of system, the knowledge part generates value. The knowledge is stored in a database, and the AI retrieves this data to make an answer. This process is fully automatic. So, in retrieval systems, the almighty AI is not the main grounds for the answer, the knowledge part is. Do you trust the knowledge source from centralized entities? Who earns money in this system? Why don't we let anyone with knowledge stake their knowledge in this system? If we let anyone stake their knowledge, the AI is more likely to learn from diverse and better sources, and the profit can be shared across the community. We call this process knowledge staking, staking the user's knowledge, and the knowledge will be used for others and earn profit. In our system, users do not upload a post or write an article. Users talk, discuss with the opposite side AI naturally, and the knowledge is extracted from the conversation history itself. Also, users can trade their raw conversation via BNB Greenfield. BNB Greenfield is the best way to set up a paywall. Conversations from leading minds and influencers have demand. The overall flow is as in the diagram. The user receives ABC tokens for chatting and putting knowledge in the system. The amount of tokens received are determined by evaluation and safety models. The tokens are later used for voting new agendas for the system or buying other people's chat from BNB Greenfield. We did not naively develop this system. This is an open system, so potential risks arise. We are aware of the risks and took special effort to handle this problem. There are Gen AI risks such as prompt injection, toxic content generation, and Trojan attacks. Especially LLM jailbreaking is an important risk that can bypass LLM safety guardrails, potentially leaking harmful or unwilling text or sensitive information from the LLM. Our LLM safety solution enables safe and fair knowledge staking. It detects attacks and also checks the content quality to estimate the value and mint tokens. The solutions are fully open public and maintained by the peer review system via BSC. Now I'll share our demo video. First, we start by logging in using MetaMask to connect with the Binance Smart Chain. Next, users select the agenda they're interested in. Users then choose a side to support and engage in a conversation with the chatbot representing the opposing view. It is important to note that our security filter is operational during this interaction. This filter blocks any malicious attempts and evaluates the quality of responses to ensure a safe and constructive dialogue. After several exchanges, the chatbot concludes the conversation. Depending on the user's contribution quality, they are rewarded with tokens. This incentive mechanism encourages users to contribute meaningful and valuable insights. Once the conversation concludes, users have the option to upload their conversation history to Greenfield. This allows them to sell or share their insights with others. Moving to the profile page, users can immediately verify the tokens received from their contributions. The profile page also provides access to greenfield buckets created by the user. With a simple click, they can navigate to our marketplace. In the marketplace, users have the opportunity to check their uploaded conversation history. We can see that the conversation history is well uploaded. The users can also list their conversation data for sale in our marketplace, making their insights accessible to interested parties. We can see that the conversation data is well listed in our marketplace. Returning to the profile page, before that, we'll also demonstrate how to purchase the conversation data from Greenfield. Access to the data is secured behind the paywall, ensuring the compensation for the contributors. So once the purchase is complete, the buyer can view the conversation data. We have seen that the buy is successful, and the buyer is now able to see the conversation data they have bought. This is also accessible from their profile page. To see that, let's log in with the buyer's account into our platform. In the buyer's account, the profile page shows the data they have bought. So the data can also be viewed inside our platform through a simple click. Lastly, we'll walk through submitting a new agenda. Users can propose new topics by providing detailed information for community consideration. For an agenda to be approved, it must gather sufficient votes from the community. Voting is conducted using ABC tokens, highlighting the utility of our tokens. These are our tech stacks, and details can be found in our GitHub and Docs. We used small LLMs such as FiTube from Microsoft. We fine-tuned them solely for our safety task. Also, we have used Binance Smart Chain to control our tokens and smart contracts. Also, we have used Binance Greenfield to manage uh, trading our conversation history. Also, for database, we have used the Superbase dataset database, which is open source. So every code and model we used are publicly opened. So we have opened all our models and codes public, and also we have plans for decentralizing the server part in the near future. We are a six-man team working hard to bring AI safety to the Web3 space. Thank you.